How to see your subscribers on YouTube. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and head over to youtube.com. But if you guys are not logged in, just make sure that you're logged in first on your browser. This won't work on the app, so just make sure that you're continuing with the browser. And now from here, you can just tap on the three lines at the top right, and then you're going to have to turn on the desktop site. I'm going to tell you why I'm doing that because if you head over to the U section here, it's going to act as if you're using a phone, but if you turn on the desktop side, you'll be able to access your YouTube Studio. So quickly turn on your desktop site. Now once you've opened up your desktop site, as you can see, you can move around, zoom in, zoom out. So here what you're going to have to do now is tap on the UX icon at the bottom right. So now here you'll see your profile icon at the top right. So simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then you'll find the YouTube Studio option there. Just head over to YouTube Studio. And once you land on this page, here you have different options. You can close the unnecessary tabs. But what you really want to do is just head over to Channel Analytics. Go to Channel Analytics. And here on the overview, you will be able to see your channel analytics. So you'll see your graph, your views, and then at the right side, you have your subscribers. It's real-time updating. And if you want to see the live count of your subscriber, you could do that as well. Currently, I don't have many subscribers on my channel, so that's why I'm not able to see their name. But if you have, you'll be able to see your recent subscriber's name. And that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.